Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're going to crack open some of the brand new 2018 G-Case Hot Wheels. Starting off here with one of my favorite new models, the Hot Wheels Exotics Lamborghini Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo. Next, we have the basic version of the Super Treasure Hunt, the tuned 68 Mustang. Here we have a pursuit vehicle, the Dodge Charger Drift. This is the new Mad Mike 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. From the Checkmate series, we have the 2007 Ford Mustang. Next is the latest color of the Summit Corvette C7R race car. We have the new green color of the 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab. This is the new white edition of the Urban Outlaw Magnus Walker Volkswagen Käfer Racer. Check out this brand new blue color of the 1970 Camaro. For the Nissan fans, we have the new white color of the Nissan Fairlady Z. Up next, we have a Flames model, the classic 55 Nomad. An awesome Musclemania model, this is the 2018 Camaro SS. Batman's classic ride, the TV series Batmobile. Here we have the latest color of the tuned Chrysler 300C. Next, we have the latest edition of the Street Beast Shark Bite. And our last vehicle today is from the Hot Wheels Moto series. It's the Ducati 1199 Panigale. So there we have a bunch of the latest Hot Wheels cars from the brand new 2018 Hot Wheels G-Case. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.